I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Michael.
I'm Sydney.
I'm Kira, and this is our alarm clock usability test.
This alarm clock allows you to set your alarm as a message or the radio, and it includes a sleep timer for the radio and a snooze bar.
We selected some STEM college students from the local dorms who should be young and inexperienced with the type of alarm clock we were using in this test. And we use them because they use some form of alarm on a daily basis.
For each of our users, we used a moderator that knew them best so that they'd feel more comfortable talking to them. And all the note takers sat at a distance so they could just observe naturally. And we read from a bullet pointed script instead of like a prose script so that it would be more natural and flow better.
We chose these common tasks because it would show us the ease and the efficiency of the design.
We chose these metrics because we thought the most important parts of this product were how long it takes to complete each task, how efficient the tasks are, and how satisfied the user is overall with the product. The most significant metric was how many wrong turns the user took to complete the task. Also, some significant feedback was how it wasn't intuitive holding the time button, and it took way too long according to the user.
Task 2 was definitely the hardest challenge for our users and had the lowest satisfaction rating. Our users had less experience with setting a message alarm, and so that led to pressing wrong buttons and going down the wrong path.
From this task, our users told us that they had difficulty finding the on and off button for the radio, and also we could tell that they had trouble finding the correct radio station by using the dial and also knowing how to turn up the volume.
These ratings and quotes exemplify the overall emotions toward the product.
We redesigned the alarm clock by grouping the buttons to the features that they correspond with, so it's more clear which button to pick. This helps with the issues in the first task. We changed the record button to switch, so it's more clear whether it's recording or not. And we moved the radio dial from the side to the front, so it's easier to see which radio station you're selecting.
If we would do this again, we would continue to film the user's hands because it was very valuable for us to look at the results. And next time we would want to rehearse a little more beforehand, as well as have a more consistent procedure